Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to talk about the wheatgrass. Now, this wheatgrass is extremely helpful. Just like the animals, like the horse, the cow, they eat grass. This is wheatgrass. You can grow it in your home, and human can consume them. But start with a small amount because you need to get your body used to it, and also it's the cleanser of the stomach and body from all kinds of toxicity, metals, viruses, parasite, bacteria. So don't want to take too much first day because you're gonna feel horrible, and a lot of people who has parasites and things, they might throw up. So we'll start with a tiny little medicine cup, like a little punch. So it's great for our digestive system. It helps us digest food, and it's great for healing the body from some serious illness, and it's good for healing migraine pain, any kind of serious illness body is going through. It's good healer. It detoxifies the body from unwanted things like radiation and metals, and a lot of different kind of toxicity. And also it's good for our total system, body system. Reduces the blood pressure, is useful for preventing arthritis, is good for sinus infection, decongestion, and it's also suppresses the appetite. So it's good for weight loss. It's a powerful juice in preventing the discoloration of our hair, like graying of the hair early, and it's antibacterial. So it's useful for cleaning our liver from all the toxicity. It's good for preventing constipation, and it makes our body to have good bowel movement. Wheatgrass juice is very powerful as a mouthwash for like sore throat or gum problem, gum disease, and bad smell in the mouth. It improves the whole body's metabolic system. That's how it's very good for the body. And then it has the super oxide dismutase, which helps to slow down aging, and this has the chlorophyll, which increases our hemoglobin production in the body, and there's a powerful juice to get rid of or help in healing and ulcerative colitis, and also has the ability to neutralize all the toxins and poisons and acids in the body. It eradicates unwanted waste and clogs in the body. Now this waste and clogs, how this happens from our respiration, we get the damaged cells and they're the waste all over the body. Now wheatgrass gets rid of this damage organ cell tissues from the blood and the body, and it is effective for treating and preventing diabetes, and it cleans up the liver toxicity. If we take wheatgrass regularly, it's good for take it and swish inside our mouth. It's good for gum disease or tooth decay, toothache, tooth problem, any kinds of problem with your mouth, gum, and tooth. Wheatgrass juice is an energy booster. It gives a lot of energy, instant energy, because as you take a shot of wheatgrass, it goes to directly absorbed into your bloodstream, and due to its high concentration of chlorophyll, it clears up any kind of disorders in the blood and enhances the blood. And it's really good with calcium, magnesium, and has many essential minerals which are really good for the brain, and it has um, it's really good for the colon because it cleans up the colon. Wheatgrass juice is very effective in dissolving the scars formed in the lungs due to inhaling any acid gases, being powerful blood, very powerful blood purifier, so it's considered very useful for maintaining a good circulatory system. Wheatgrass is excellent source of antioxidants required for eradicating free radicals from our body, and it is a very powerful blood purifier, and it is very good for keeping our reproductive system good. So wheatgrass juice is very good to increase fertility, and it's good for any kind of tooth problem, gum problem, like a smelly breath, pyorrhea, gum diseases prevents. So you take the wheatgrass juice, squeeze inside your mouth, or you can just take the wheatgrass and chew it and get the juice, and then throw away the fiber. So many studies have shown that wheatgrass juice drinking is good for cancer, and it's good for even the people who has cancer going through the chemotherapy. It also helps them, and it also has vitamin B17 layetrate, and it has the superoxide dismutase SOD, and it has selenite, selenium, and it also have the ability to destroy the cancer cells, and has the chlorophyll to boost the blood cells, red blood cell production and white blood cell production, their counts, and also it's good for healing the any kind of health issues and any kind of issues with the digestive system or intestine. And wheatgrass juice is does not, even the people with cancer, it does not affect the potency of the chlorophyll. So it's, even that stage, with doctor's permission, it's good to take. Wheatgrass is a powerful detoxifier which is capable of destroying poisons and eradicating any contamination from any kind of heavy metals, toxic gases, acid, and it's really good for protecting the body from any cancer causing agent, also destroying cancer cells and tumors. One of the very specific component in this wheatgrass is the superoxide dismutase SOD, which is an important enzyme in protecting the body against the damage of reactive oxygen species ROS, to minimize the effect of radiation and poison in the body. Wheatgrass eradicates poisons, metals, free radicals, anything stored in the body's organs and tissues. So it does like a broom sweeping of organs and tissues from all kinds of poisons. It is an excellent source of phytonutrients, minerals, enzymes, protein, and B17, amino acid, chlorophyll, magnesium, potassium, sodium, calcium, iron, sulfur, and vitamins A, B, C, D, E. And this is powerful grass, which is really necessary for the people who wants a healthy body or who are suffering with some chronic diseases and conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, joint pain, flatulence, asthma, constipation, bronchitis, sterility, like geofertility, obesity, insomnia, eczema, osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, atherosclerosis, tuberculosis, hypertension, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and any kind of hemorrhage in the body. So as you can see, wheatgrass is the most beneficial things, but do ask your doctor for permission before you chew one single grass, okay? So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you with many more. Just remember, this video is just for providing you the information, but you need your doctor's permission before you can use anything. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.